Let's learn about sewage treatment. Primary treatment is the first step in sewage treatment. In this stage, wastewater enters the treatment plant through large pipes. The sewage first passes through screens, which remove large objects like plastics, rags, sticks, and debris. Next, the water flows into a grit chamber, where heavy particles such as sand, gravel, and small stones settle at the bottom. After this, the sewage enters the primary sedimentation tank. Here, heavier organic solids settle down as primary sludge, while lighter materials like oil and grease float on the surface and are removed. Primary treatment mainly removes physical impurities and reduces the load on further treatment stages. The energy for the converted is electricity through turbine and used in households. Secondary treatment focuses on removing dissolved and suspended organic matter from sewage. The sewage from primary treatment is sent to an aeration tank. Here, air is supplied to promote the growth of aerobic bacteria. These microorganisms break down organic waste into simpler substances like carbon dioxide, water, and biomass. The mixture then flows into a secondary settling tank. The bacterial flocks settle at the bottom, forming activated sludge. A portion of this sludge is recycled back to the aeration tank, while the excess sludge is removed. Secondary treatment significantly reduces biological oxygen demand, making the water much cleaner. At the Eastern Treatment Plant, tertiary treatment further improves water quality. The water passes through advanced filtration systems and nutrient removal processes. Special treatment removes excess nitrogen to protect rivers and marine ecosystems. Disinfection ensures that harmful bacteria and viruses are eliminated. After tertiary treatment, the water meets strict environmental standards and is safely released into the ocean or reused for non-drinking purposes. Tertiary treatment is an advanced stage of sewage treatment. Its main purpose is to remove remaining nutrients, pathogens, and fine particles. In the Western Treatment Plant, treated water undergoes filtration processes to remove very fine suspended matter. Advanced biological and chemical methods are used to remove nitrogen and phosphorus, which can harm aquatic life if released. The water is then disinfected to kill disease-causing microorganisms. This treated water is safe for environmental discharge or reuse in agriculture and industry. Thank you for watching.